my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the answer key of UG NEET 2024. This exam was held on 5th May 2024. Physics section A, S3 answer key. Question number first. Let's now start this video. Question number first. A wheel of a bullock cart is rolling on a level road as shown in figure below. If its linear speed is v in the direction, so which one of the following options is correct? P and Q are any highest and the lowest point on the wheel respectively. Correct answer is option number third. Point P moves faster than point Q. Second question, the output Y of the given logic gate is similar to the output of N oblique A. Correct answer option number first, A and D gate. Question number third, the graph which show the variation of 1 by lambda square and its kinetic energy E is where lambda is the de Broglie wavelength of a free particles. Correct answer option number first. Next question, question number 4. In the above diagram, a strong bore magnet is moving towards solenoid 2 from solenoid first. The direction of the induced current in solenoid first and that in solenoid second respectively are through the direction. Correct answer is option number second, AB and DC. Question number 5th. A thermodynamic system is taken through the cycle ABCDA. The work done by the gas along with the path BC is. Correct answer option number second, 0. W is equal to P del V and del V is equal to 0 for an isochromatic process. Correct answer option number second, 0. Question number 6. Two bodies A and B of same mass undergo completely inelastic one-dimensional collision. The body A moves with velocity v1 while body B is at rest before collision. The velocity of the system after collision is v2. The ratio v1 ratio v2 is correct answer option number 3, 2:1. Question number 7. At any instant of time t, the displacement of any particles is given by 2t minus 1 SI unit under the influence of the force of 5N. The value of the instantaneous power is in SI unit. Correct answer आएगा इसका 10. We know that F is equal to 5N, V is equal to 2 meter per second. So power P is equal to F into V. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 watt. मतलब पावर P इज इक्वल टू F इंटू एफ, इसमें क्या है, फोर्स है, V वेलोसिटी है, तो F का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे 5, V का 2 है और ये 10 वाट आएगा इसका। पावर का जो ऐसा यूनिट होता है वाट होता है, तो करेक्ट आंसर आएगा 10 वाट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। Question number 8. A thin spherical cell is charged by the some sources. The potential differences between 2 points C and P is shown in the figure is. Correct answer आएगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, 0. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. A tightly held 100 turns coil of the radius 10 cm carries a current of 7 ampere. The magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil is tac permeability of the free space as 4 pi into 10 power 7 SI unit. इसका करेक्ट आंसर 4.4 mt. एन दिया हुआ है 100, आर दिया हुआ है 10 सेंटीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 0.1 मीटर आ जाएगा। आई मीन्स इसका करंट 7 एम्पियर दिया हुआ है ये, और न्यू इज इक्वल टू दिया हुआ है 4 पाई इंटू 10 पावर 7। इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, ये काफ़ी लंबा है, तो मैं एक आंसर बता देती। इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर 4 है, 4.4 mt। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसका सोल्यूशन भी बता देंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 देखते हैं। इफ़ द monochromatic source in the Young's double slit experiment is replaced by white light, then correct answer is option number 4. There will be a central bright white fringe surrounded by a few colored fringes. Next question, question number 11. The quantities which have the same dimensions as those of the solid angle are, correct answer is option number 2, strand and the angle. Next question, question number 13. A horizontal force 10N is applied to block A as shown in figure. The mass of the blocks A and B are 2 kg and 3 kg respectively. The blocks slide over a frictionless surface. The force extracted by the block A on block B is, correct answer आएगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 4, 6N. Question number 14. In a uniform magnetic field of 0.0490, a magnetic needle performs 20 completely oscillations in the 5 seconds as shown. The moment of inertia of the needle is 9.8 into 10 power 6 kg per square meter. If the magnitude of the magnetic moment of the needle is x into 10 power 5 am square, then the value of the x is, correct answer इसका आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट 1280 pi square. Question number 15. The terminal voltages of the battery whose EMF is 10V and the internal resistance 1 ohm when connected through an external resistance of 4 ohm is shown in the figure is, करेक्ट आंसर आएगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 4, 8V. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. इफ x इज इक्वल टू 5 sin pi t प्लस pi upon 3m represent the motion of a particles executing simple harmonic motion, the amplitude and the time period of the motion respectively are, correct answer is option number 3, 5 meter to S. Next question, question number 17. Match the least first and least second. इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2. ए का सेकंड आएगा, बी का थर्ड आएगा, सी का फोर्थ एंड डी का फर्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट ए एंड बी एंड आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 2. ए इज़ अ करेक्ट बट बी इज़ अ इनकरेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. गिवन बिलो आर 2 स्टेटमेंट. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, एटम्स आर द इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल एज दे कंटेन इक्वल नंबर ऑफ द पॉजिटिव एंड द नेगेटिव चार्ज. ये ट्रू है. स्टेटमेंट सेकेंड, एटम ऑफ द ईच एलिमेंट आर द स्टेबल एंड द इमिट देयर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स स्पेक्ट्रम. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. ये इनकरेक्ट है स्टेटमेंट, तो इसमें सही ऑप्शन आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4. स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट इज़ द करेक्ट बट स्टेटमेंट सेकेंड इज़ द इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. In vernier calipers, n+1 divisions of the vernier scale coincide with the n divisions of the main scales. If 1 MSD represents 0.1 mm, the vernier constant is, correct answer आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, 1/100 bracket n+1. Question number 21. In ideal transformer, the turns ratio is NP upon NS is equal to 1/2. The ratio VS ratio VP is equal to the symbols carry there the usual meaning. Correct answer option number 3, 2:1. Question number 22. An unpolarized light beam strikes a glass surface at ब्रॉस्टर्स एंगल, देन करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट. द रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट विल बी कम्प्लीटली पोलराइज्ड बट द refracted light will be the partially polarized. Next question, question number 23. Match the list first and with list second. इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, ए का थर्ड, बी का फोर्थ, सी का सेकंड एंड डी का फर्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. A wire of length L and the resistance 100 ohm is divided into 10 equal parts. The first 5 parts are connected in series while the next 5 parts are connected in the parallel. The two combinations are again connected in series. The resistance of this final combination, इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा 52 ओम. इसमें देखो 100 ओम को डिवाइड कर देंगे 10 ओम से तो ये 10 ओम आ जाएगा. फिर 5 × 10 कर दोगे 50 आ जाएगा. 50/5 कर देंगे. 5 पार्ट्स में पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड थे एक दूसरे से तो 10/5 करेंगे तो ये 2 टोटल रेसिस्टेंस हो जाएगा 50 + 2 = 52. और रेसिस्टेंस का ऐसा यूनिट होता है ओम तो 52 ओम. करेक्ट आंसर आएगा 52 ओम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. A light ray enters through a right angled prism at the point P with the angle of the incidence 30 degrees as shown in the figure. It travels through the prism parallel to its base BC and the emerges along the face AC. The refractive index of the prism is correct आंसर आएगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 3, √5/2. Question number 26. A particle moving with the uniform speed in the circular path maintains. Correct answer है ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, varying velocity and the varying acceleration. Next question, question number 27. 290 82 x अल्फ़ा y इलेक्ट्रॉन जेड बी ये दिया हुआ है. अल्फ़ा बीटा एंड गामा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो हो रहे हैं. एटॉमिक नंबर एंड एटॉमिक मास है ये 290 जो है ये एटॉमिक मास है और 82 जो है एटॉमिक नंबर है. इन द न्यूक्लियर एमिशंस स्टेट है बोथ द मास नंबर एंड द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट क्यू रिस्पेक्टिवली आर. इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट 286 एंड 82. मास नंबर ऑफ द क्यू = 290 290 है. 290 में से -4 करेंगे तो ये अल्फ़ा डीके हो जाएगा 290 आ जाएगा. 290 में से अगर -4 करते 286 आ जाएगा. वैसे ही ये दिया हुआ है एटॉमिक नंबर 82 82 -2 कर देंगे तो देखते हैं अल्फ़ा डीके बीटा ये प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा. 82 में से 2 माइनस कर देंगे फिर बीटा डीके एंड अल्फ़ा डीके इसमें माइनस करेंगे तो -82 1 हो जाएगा तो ये आ जाएगा. -1 करेंगे 82 से तो 81 आ जाएगा. तो करेक्ट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट 286 एंड 81. 286 जो है एटॉमिक मास है और 81 जो है एटॉमिक नंबर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Given below are two statements. One is the labeled as the assertions A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The potential V at any axial point at 2m distance r from the center of the dipole moment vector p of the magnitude 4 × 10⁻6 centimeter is ±9 × 10 QV. Take 1/4. इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 4, A is 2 but R is false. Question number 29. In the following circuit, the equivalent capacitance between the terminal A and the terminal B. इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2 μF. Question number 30. If C is the velocity of light in free space, the correct statement about photon among the following are. करेक्ट आंसर इसका आएगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3 A, B, C and D only. A. The energy of the photon is equal to hv. B. The velocity of a photon is c. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर आएगा A, B, C and D. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. A bob is violated in the horizontal plane by the means of the string width and the initial speed of the omega rpm. The tension in the strings is T. If speed becomes 2 omega while keeping the same radius, the tension in the string becomes the correct answer. Option number 3, 4, T. Question number 32. A logic circuit provides the output Y as per the following truth table. The expressions for the output Y is correct answer आएगा option number 4 bar B. Question number 33. The maximum elongations of the steel wire of the 1 meter length if the elastic limit of steel and its Young's modules respectively are 8 into 10 power 8 n m square 2 and the 2 into 10 11 n m square minus 2 is correct answer आएगा इसका ऑप्शन नंबर 2 4 mm. Question number 34. A thin flat circular disc of the radius 4.5 cm is placed gently over the surface of water. If surface tension of water is 0.07 nm-1, then the excess force required to take it away from the surface is correct answer आएगा option number 2 19.8 mn. Question number 35. The moment of the inertia of a thin rod about an axis passing through its midpoint and the perpendiculars to the rod is 2400 gram square meter. The length of the 400 gram rod is the nearly correct answer is option number 2 8.5 centimeter. Question number 36. The minimum energy required to launch Question number 36. The minimum energy required to launch the satellite of mass m from the surface of the earth of mass and the radius r in the circular orbit and the alternative to r from the surface of the earth is correct answer आएगा option number 2 5 gm upon 6r. Question number 37. A force defined by the F is equal to at square plus b beta t act on the particular at a given time t. The factor which dimensionless if alpha and beta are the constant is correct answer आएगा इसका option number 3 alpha t upon beta. Question number 38. A sheet is placed on the horizontal surface is from of the strong magnetic pole. A force is needed to correct answer आएगा इसका option number 3 A and C only. A hold the sheet there if it is the magnitude and C move the sheet away from the pole with uniform velocity if it's conducting. Correct answer इसका question number 38 का option number 3 A and C. Question number 39. A 10 nu F capacitor is connected to a 210 V 50 Hertz sources as shown in the figure. The peak current in the circuit is nearly pi is equal to 3.14. Correct answer आएगा इसका 0.93 A option number 3. Question number 40. A small telescope has an objective of the focal length 140 cm and an eyepiece of the focal length 5.0 cm. The magnifying power of the telescope for the viewing a distant object is correct answer is option number 328. Question number 41. A metallic bar of the Young's modules 0.5 into 10 11 n m minus 2 and the coefficient of the liner thermal expansions 10 power 5 degree Celsius minus 1, length 1 m, and the area of the cross section 10 minus 3 m square is heated from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius without expansions or bending. The comprehensive force developed in its correct answer is option number 3, 50 into 10 Qn. Question number 42. If the plates of the parallel plate capacitor connected to a battery are moved close to each other, then correct answer is option number 3, A, C and E only. A. The charge stored in it increases, and C. Its capacitance increases, and E. The product of the charge and the voltage increases. Question number 43. The velocity v minus time t plot of the motions of the body is so below. The accelerations a time t graph that best suits this motion is correct answer is option number 4. Next question. Question number 48. The following graph represent the TV curve of an ideal gas where T is the temperature and V is the volume at three pressures P1, P2 and the P3, compared with those of the Charles law represent as the dotted lines. Then the correct relation is correct answer is option number first, P1 greater than P2 greater than P3. Question number 49. Choose the correct circuit which can achieve the bridge balance. Correct answer आएगा इसका option number 4. Question number 50. An iron bar of length L has the magnitude moment m. It is the bent at the middle of its length such that the two arms make and the angle 60 degree with each other. The magnetic moment of this new magnetic is correct answer आएगा option number 3, m by 2. स्टूडेंट ये था यूजी नीट का एग्ज़ाम जो 5 मई 2024 को हुआ था. इसका आंसर की था फिजिक्स का S3 क्वेश्चन पेपर था. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो. मेरे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा एंड लाइक कीजिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो स्टूडेंट.